This is the most important thing. Remember we talked about building that house of safety. This is the most important thing to me, is that when I'm out there with my pole buddy, we'll just call him Johnny. For whatever reason, that name kind of stuck for today. So Johnny's out with me, and when we go hot, what we're gonna do is that first thing, test, right there, is we're gonna test each other. What do you mean? I'm gonna ask Johnny if he's got my back here, because we're gonna get down to some nitty gritty on this job site. This is after the tailboard, right? So we're gonna get down to the nitty gritty. Do you have my back, Johnny? And Johnny's gonna give me a verbal. I don't want no head shake. I don't want no nod in the yes configuration. It's not what I'm looking for. I wanna hear words. Yes, I got your back. I wanna hear words, because that right there is a covenant. That's an agreement, that's a covenant. When you speak words, they're powerful. So I want to hear some words. And then Johnny's going to ask me the same question. He's going to ask me if I got his back. And I'm going to give him words, absolute. I don't even like Johnny. Okay? I don't like his grooming. I don't like how he doesn't shower as often as maybe he should. And he doesn't like me either. I got all these tats, and he doesn't like tats for whatever reason. So we're not too friendly with each other. But guess what? When we're a line team, we're out in the field, every team is in it to win it. And you might have some people on your line team that you don't appreciate so much, but you're still in it to win it. And when you're in a line team, you're going to perform at the best of your capabilities to be your brother's keeper, and he's going to do the same to you. Okay? And that's just how it is. So yeah, I got his back, and he's got my back. So that's why we test, and we do it for those 3 reasons.